This lesson we're going to be looking at symmetry, both line symmetry and rotational symmetry. An object has line symmetry if there is a line going through it which divides it into two pieces that are mirror images of each other. An object has rotational symmetry if the object can be rotated about a fixed point less than 360 degrees without changing the overall shape of the object. In this example, we want to determine if these objects have line symmetry. The first, the rectangle, has a horizontal line of symmetry as well as a vertical line of symmetry. The triangle has no symmetry, line symmetry. And then the last shape has a diagonal line of symmetry. Now we want to determine if these shapes have rotational symmetry. The first shape is a square. It does have rotational symmetry. If we rotate it 90 degrees, we get the exact same object that we started off with. The second triangle, the triangle has no rotational symmetry. And then the third object, we can rotate 180 degrees to get the original shape. Here we have a regular pentagon. We want to see the type of symmetry that exists. Definitely has line symmetry, more than one line of symmetry. Has this line of symmetry, these two lines of symmetry, this line of symmetry. So it has 1, 2, 3. Has 4 lines of symmetry. And it also has rotational symmetry. This is a regular polygon that has 5 sides. So we just divide 360 by 5 to determine the least degrees we would need to rotate this figure to get the original figure once again, and that would be 72 degrees. This object has one horizontal line of symmetry, and it does not have any rotational symmetry.